Hey everybody, just want to take a look at Fantom here. Keep in mind this is the daily chart. Now I have extended this line before I started making this video right now down, and basically it looks like yesterday it caught support on this trend line as it broke through, basically yesterday on this daily chart. So that's a good thing. Now, I think the next level we kind of have to worry about is probably around this area right here. Let me just mark this in like a yellow. So about 79, let's call it 80 cents. You can see it was support, resistance, support, almost caught support here, support, 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 and probably it touched here. But yeah, then it lost this support. So that's a very big area for Fantom at the moment. We might even be able to say that right here, this 70 cents mark, this could be some small, resistance here. As it looks like locally, this, did play some resistance in this area and also this area a little bit. So, but overall, I think this is the bigger resistance up here at about 80 cents. After that, we have to contend with this little Fibonacci level and getting out of it, so that's about 95 cents. And after that, I do believe, we will start to take off a little bit. It'll be a little bit easier for us. Let's look at this in the weekly real quick. So, as you can see, there doesn't appear to be too much volume in this green box, probably. Yeah, I mean, you can see there was only a few weeks really spent in this area. So, that's a good thing. Now, you can see that there was some time spent here where we are right now, but not too much. I mean, really, Fantom hasn't spent a lot of time above, we can say about 50 cents. I think we're going to cut through a lot of these levels, kind of like, butter. So that's a good thing with Fantom. The top price for Fantom was somewhere around 350 in October 2021. So we'll see how quickly we get back there, but yeah, we have to get through, like I said, 80 cents first, then about 95 cents, and then I think it'll be a little bit quick after that to start to go up. And Bitcoin, on the other hand, it is making a move up, and it is at about, what, 64.5. The next level of resistance is going to be about 65.5. Then we have this trend line to contend with, which right now is about 67.3. So that's the next two levels to be aware of. If we sink below 63.4, let's say, that's a bad thing. We are starting to close some, higher time frame candles though above this, so that's a good thing. We did actually manage to close a daily yesterday above, which is really excellent, and I was quite surprised when I woke up and found that out. But anyways, guys, Bitcoin is still far from getting out of the woods. I don't even expect to get up to this, line probably today, unless there's some news. I mean, it could, of course. It's only $1,000 above, but maybe, yeah, well, maybe it can make this line. I mean, it is starting to move up quite quick, but probably this trend line that's out of reach today. It's still $3,000 above us, although Bitcoin tends to move, very quickly. But we'll see. I don't think there's any events today that I'm aware of. I would have to look at the calendar to see if there's any, Fed events or anything. But anyways, Bitcoin, on the other hand, the halving is near. Last night I looked at this and it was like 3 days and 2 hours, and it's sped up quite quickly. Yeah, there definitely was not, 18 hours or whatever went by since last night when I looked at it, only maybe 12 hours ago, honestly. So anyways, guys, the halving is near. There's going to be less Bitcoin for everybody. Expect maybe 1 or 2 months of even sideways or slowly going up. We could even go down, really. But after about a month or two, Bitcoin tends to really take off after the halving. Anyways, guys, that's what I got for Fantom. If you like this video, like, subscribe, activate the bell, and see you in the next one, guys.